Hi everybody. I'd like to talk about the future of artificial intelligence. The slides are available at slideshare.net/LaBlaga. I'm a technology theorist at Purdue University in the philosophy department. The future of AI. I propose that when we consider blockchain and deep learning together, this suggests the emergence of a new class of global network computing system. These systems are self-operating computation graphs that make probabilistic guesses about reality states of the world. We might wonder, what are we running on networks? Initially, it was information in the 1980s. Now, we're running money and value on networks with blockchain technology. Value tokening is an idea. And in the farther future, we might be running brains and intelligence on networks in the 2050s and beyond, perhaps. One idea is thought tokening, exactly the way we're tokening value now with blockchain networks. The future of I propose, is that there have been two fundamental eras of network computing. These are, first of all, simple networks for transferring information, but now smart networks for transferring value, and later transferring intelligence. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, per the Encyclopedia Britannica definition, is a computer performing tasks that are typically associated with intelligent beings. There is a creeping frontier of technology in that we quickly forget our amazing achievements on problems that seem to be hard and intractable. AI, in some sense, is whatever we just can't quite do yet. What is the AI problem that everybody is worried about? The idea is that computer capabilities can grow faster than human capabilities. Therefore, one day computers might become vastly more capable than humans, i.e. super intelligent, and willfully or inadvertently present a danger to humans. There was a study for global existential risk. It was conducted informally at a conference, and conference goers overall felt that there was possibly a 19% risk that humans might inadvertently extinct themselves before 2100. This was of all possible causes, ranging from nuclear wars to superintelligent AI to bioplagues and nanotechnology. So, the idea is that our technology would have standardized ethics modules, both for roboethics, how the machine behaves, and robotic-it, how the machine interacts with others. There have been examples recently with Facebook creating its own AI bots and the OpenAI Dota 2 video game victory. Further, Instagram has implemented nice filters to eliminate hate speech, and we have found that criminal justice systems algorithms indeed discriminate. So we know that it's time to have standard AI ethics modules as a component of our technology, and this is one thing that the newly formed DeepMind Ethics and Society Research effort has decided to focus upon. So we might wonder, is our human future doomed when machines might be vastly more capable than us? But really the question is, how can we better collaborate, humans and machines together, as Tyler Cowen notes in Average is Over, is really the best team for the job, a human and a machine together. Technological unemployment is the idea of outsourcing jobs to technology, where the key challenge is facilitating an orderly transition to the automation economy. Half of economists wonder why, or point out that perhaps half of jobs may be at risk of automation in the next 2 decades, and other economists wonder, in fact, why there are still so many jobs in a world that could be automated more quickly. The future of work as meaningful engagement of human capacities is definitely a question, and how we are to collaborate with machines in ways that make sense and empower us. I think in the longer term, why perhaps we're not automating more quickly is that we don't know what our identity would be as humans in a non-labor economy. For so long, we've had to define ourselves based on our jobs, our labor effort, and we don't know who we are without our labor jobs. And so until we have an answer to that, we won't be able to move forward into the automation economy. We need a better and new productive engagement of our activities that incorporates higher levels of Maslow's needs diagram. Another social movement at the moment is that perhaps the privacy pendulum will be swinging back. Historically, we had lots of privacy, but we've been in a surveillance world where there's been a strange logic of a few bad apples, meaning that somehow we surveil everybody, but we don't do it well. We have centralized breaches of our centralized data stores, such as Equifax. And so the future era might be one where we swing back towards having more privacy, restoring some of the checks and balances like in the original system that George Washington conceived. When we think about the future of AI, I think three main technology areas are going to be crucial, and they are big data and deep learning, blockchain, and bioprinting, all of the advances in genomics and CRISPR editing. Here is a couple of charts in regard to the top market disruptors for enterprise being deep learning and blockchain, and that the top job skill growth in demand is in robotics, automation, deep learning, and data science, and also Bitcoin and blockchain. The farther future is smart networks, that artificial intelligence will be operating on smart networks where intelligence is baked into the network, blockchains that confirm authenticity and transfer value, and deep learning algorithms that conduct predictive identification of objects on the net. We start to see more and more different kinds of species of networks dominating our world. We're aware of social networks, transportation, communication, information, and a variety of biological networks ranging from superorganisms, ecosystems, organisms, and plants, to now finance, credit, and payment networks, and also deep learning networks. In conclusion, the future of AI smart networks, I propose, is that we are starting to run more complicated operations on networks, information in the past, money in the present, and brains in the future. Two fundamental eras of network computing are simple networks for the transfer of information, all computing to date from mainframes to mobile, and now a new era of smart networks for the transfer of value and intelligence. Blockchain and deep learning are built directly into smart networks so that they may be automatically used to confirm authenticity and transfer value with blockchain, and predictably identify individual items and patterns with deep learning. Thank you.